What our team usually does after the trip is to make sure that we talk with every client to make sure that they had a good trip. And if they didn't have a good trip, that what can we do to improve to make sure that the next time or our next customer won't experience that part, and to make sure that it will be a good trip for next customer or for a returning customer. So that is the first part. So we always send them like a memorable picture afterwards, like a week after, 2 weeks after, to make sure that they have this nice memory to look. And we do keep an email marketing contact with our customers as well, like during Christmas or maybe Easter, spring break, to bring our brand forward again. Yeah, but I think communication is very important, especially like during the trip and after the trip, to make sure that you have this communication with your clients to make sure that the trip went well, or if they have any comments or things that they want to share, that there's room for that, and not just, okay, your trip is finished, get in the bus and go back to your hotel.